Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche, and I've got another spooling video, and I'm literally having to jump through hoops and put in overtime for this videos because everybody's ready to get in on the lines and we're selling out faster, but faster than I can keep up with, and the reason being because people want the line and I'm still trying to get the spooling videos. So I jumped on the biggest reel, which is a good thing, but now I got to backtrack a little bit on the smaller reels. So this one is a Avid 50 Trx with a 40-pound, and I'm gonna flip this picture around. Let's do this. No, it is gonna have to be like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill up this 50 Trx by Avid reels with the 40-pound Cortland braid. And again, like I said, I'm just putting it on here for line capacity, and then we'll see how it goes. So
gotta bite. I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call the whole team.
I'm excited because they've already done one SX Raptor, and I'm not going to tell y'all the yardage just yet because I want y'all to watch the video. Sorry guys, you got the hook. I got the hook. I set the hook. So now I just got to put this on there, and if it'll work with me, but it's such small line, but it's so awesome. I'm really excited of where this is going with the Cortland braids, and it's cortlandline.com. Be sure to check them out. Use Team Hard Life code when checking out so you can get a special prize from them. Like I said, it's going to be, they're really helping us out here with the line and giving us a product that we can really count on. So let's see, let's get this one started. And also too, I got me a new style of holder for my phone here, for my camera setup. So I'm really excited now because now I can really keep track of my video easier. The other way I had to step up, and now I can actually look up and see it. So yes, it's really exciting for me here. Let me see. Now this is where the holder is going to come into play. Alright guys, so right there I filled up the bevel and I'm at 373 yards of 40-pound Cortland on this Trx 50. Wow, look at that. Barely any coloring on there. Like I said, that is nothing. That's awesome. So we'll keep going. 500 yards. Look at that. That spool is looking awesome. Awesome, awesome. Yes, and I'm loving this holder. Takes a little work to get it where exactly the right angle that I want it, but it is doing what I needed to do, and that's to catch the spool getting filled up. Normally it sat right up here and you wouldn't see it till it got, you know, up in the higher limits. But now you can, guys, so I'm excited, really excited for y'all. That's 1,000 yards of 40-pound on here. Wow. And still look at all this spool exposure here. This is awesome. So I'm excited, really excited. $1,500 yards of 40-pound on this reel. This is insane. I am completely in love with this line. It is crazy, crazy awesome. So, yeah. 2,000 yards right there, 40 pound on this reel. And we're about 2/3 of the way up, maybe a little less, but it is, oh, guys, you'll have no idea. It's hard for me to be impressed after spooling so many reels in my career, but this is something new to this old dog right here for sure. $2,500 yards. Oh, wow. Very nice, very nice. Man, how much y'all think we're gonna get on here? Like 4,000? 4,500? $4,000. Oh, wow. That's insane. Insane. $4,245 yards of 40 pound on here to a level spool. That is awesome. Alright guys, so I know I'm not going to fill up the reel, but right there I've got 4,385 yards of line on this reel. That's insane. That's insane. So it would tell me it probably would take 5,500 yards of line to totally fill it up. So I'm definitely going to have to get in another spool, because like I said, we already started selling off some of the 40, and yep, I'm just glad I got this reel done. I just wish I had enough time to do all the other reels, but you know, that may be next. We'll see what's up. All right.